in a regular match, in a local level 1 match, you can expect anywhere between 5 and maybe 8 or 9 stages. And they have what they call, this is a scenario stage.
Stand by. If you're finished, unload and show clear. If clear, slide forward, pull the trigger, holster. Range is clear.
So first of all, if you're finished, unload and show clear. So bye.
He had it to me like 3 or 4 weeks, and this is like 2 weeks.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Yeah, he does good work.
Yeah.
Reload.
You reminded me of the old days. Charlie's Angels.
Just keep your finger off the trigger while you're fixing your gun. There you go. There you go. Good job.
I got these at work. I didn't hear it.
I gotta get a picture of Ray with the girls. Charlie's Angels girls.
You're good. All right. If you're finished.
Bye.
Really? Because they haven't taken. Do you think she needs to take photos?
No pistola? No pistola today. Zero. 1.
1,
1.
1,
0.
0,
1.
1,
0.
0, 0.
No,
because it has to be inside.
It might not have been on the trigger, but it was a little curved. It's at the bar or something, and there's a bar set up, and it's just,
but yeah,
it's just a.
oh, why am I? Oh, yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, they've got a match there this Saturday. And I have
Watch your finger. Oops.
and show clear. Clear, slide forward, pull trigger, holster. Range is clear.
Stand by.
26. Yeah, it's in the, I have it in the pants holster.
Put that safety down. Good to go. Finger off the trigger. Good job.
And they're done that. You only shoot yourself in the dick once.
Finger off the trigger. Good job. Reload.
Right, or do you?
If you're finished, unload. Show clear.
Stand by.
You can ask them, I don't know.
So in a regular match, what you just did is what you could expect. A little more rigid on safety. You know, there were some muzzle calls, things like that, that you got to be careful of.
There's a bucket.
See the takedown.
Did not. One wrapped around here.